Worried about hijackers and counterfeiters? Amazon Project Zero might be your best defense. I'm going to be showing you how to set it up in today's video. So you log into Amazon one day, it's about to be the holiday season, and then boom, you're hit with tons of fakes. And even worse, they're generating sales. They're taking your patents, your trademarks, your copyright, your images, all of it, which does happen on Amazon. Now, what you want to do is go to Google, type in Amazon Brand Registry. Now, once you do that, you can sign up, enroll your trademark, you get access to Amazon Brand Registry, and can report them to get removed. The issue with this is you need somebody at Amazon to manually review it and either approve or deny. Sometimes the people at Amazon, even though they're great, they don't approve it because they don't understand how trademarks work, how patents work, or even how copyright works. So then all of a sudden they're still selling and you have gotten nowhere. That's when Project Zero has been introduced, and that is a huge platform. Right now you can click get started in it and enroll your brand right now. The best part about these is just three things: is automated protection. So once you enroll this, you give Amazon all your trademarks, your logos, things like that, and they scan Amazon for you using AI and automatically remove brands, which is huge. So if I was trying to sell, let's say, this duck that looks like Pikachu, if the brand Pokemon enrolled their brand, enrolled their copyright of Pikachu, and I tried to list this, there's a high chance I would be kicked off of Amazon, or this listing would be kicked off before I could even list it. That's the power of automated protections. So you definitely want this. The next big thing is you're able to remove counterfeits without getting permission from Amazon. So you see, brands no longer need to contact us, aka you don't have to contact Amazon anymore to remove counterfeits. So pretty much you have ultimate power, right? You can just go on Amazon and say, this is a fake, report it, and then it's gone the same day, right? Or within 24 hours. And nobody has to actually review it, which is huge for Amazon sellers, okay? Usually it takes sometimes a week or more just to get one product removed. So this is extremely powerful. And then you have product serialization, so you can apply unique code to your product. This is just extra, but the real power is going to be these two, right? So AI is going to remove so many fakes, so many potential fakes for you, and make it a lot harder for sellers to compete with you or even copy your brand. And then this is, again, you pretty much go in God mode where you can just remove everybody on Amazon instantly. Now, you do have to be careful. Obviously, if you go a little nuts on this program, you will get kicked out. But just, huge benefits here. And if you have access, definitely check, so that way you can get fakes removed, and even automatically, which can help you internationally relax a little bit when all these fakes start popping up, especially during the holiday season. Now, once you click get started, simply you're gonna click this button, and then you're going to enroll your brand, right? Right now you can see that brand is Hickaway. You can enroll that, and then you can view or add more trademarks, and then you just simply enroll and everything. You can even set up a call with the Project Zero team if you wanted to, but you enroll it and it's just easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, if you aren't eligible, that means that you weren't reporting some fakes properly, right? So to get eligible, you need to make sure. So sometimes it'll say you're not eligible, and you just need to review it and make sure you are eligible. It takes time, or you can make a second brand registry account and then give the second account admin registration and admin permissions, right? You can also look at more of Project Zero, how it works. They actually have a video. I recommend to watch the video overview. But again, it's exactly what we said. And Pop Funk uses it. Some other brands over here, Panasonic. And they give you like a step-by-step. And there is our FAQ. It's available in US, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, Belgium, France, Italy, Germany, Netherlands, Poland, Spain, Sweden, UK, Australia, India, Japan, Singapore, Turkey, Egypt, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. So right now it's free. And so again, a lot of different things. And what they're saying is you need to maintain an accuracy rate of at least 99% or you get kicked out of the program. Well, I'm going to be honest, that's almost impossible to maintain an accuracy rate of 99% in anything you do in life. So this program, I think the biggest thing is once you enroll, it's going to be the automations, right? Because if you mess up on the counterfeit removal, then you're pretty much going to get kicked out of the program. So just keep that in mind. The biggest thing is the automations where Amazon's going to use its AI and pretty much kick off almost all the competitors for you. And then if you aren't eligible, they're pretty much telling you how you could be eligible. So again, huge benefits. Definitely test it out. Definitely see if you're eligible. If you are eligible, there's pretty much no downside. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, one of our most popular services is our full infringement management service. This is where we're monitoring Amazon US, Canada, Spain, Belgium, Germany, and more to make sure that we are removing fakes and hijackers for you on a regular basis. We don't just use automated tools. We actually go in, triple check, make sure they're actually a fake, do a test buy as needed, and report them and get them removed within 7 days or less. That's it for today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.